Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. MsSilver here, and today we're doing TTDEYE fun color contact lenses. Can't wait to show you guys. All right, everyone, so we are back. You guys read the title. Today I'm going to show you guys some really cool color contact lenses that you can use for any of those fun looks that are year-round, sugar schools, the Katrina makeup, and the season is coming, so it's a perfect time to show you guys all the amazing color contact lenses that you guys can add to your look to add that extra signature look. So let's wait no more and get started. So as you guys can already see, I have a really fun eyeshadow going on. I actually just finished filming this look, and I will leave the link below on the bio so you guys can check it out. And I obviously am wearing some really cute contacts. Let me zoom in. So these are the purple color contact lenses. From afar you can't really see it, but these are macaroon purple. These are so cute. They're super vivid, and I'm sure on lighter eyes, maybe some blue eyes, green eyes, colored eyes, it will look a lot better. I feel that on brown eyes, dark eyes, you can't really tell unless you get really close with light. However, these are very, very cute. I do feel that the lens is slightly big, so I did have a little bit of a hard time putting it on. But now I feel good. I feel comfortable. So, of course, you guys know you guys will always get my honest review on all of these products. So if you're not used to wearing contact lenses, these might be a little big for you and maybe uncomfortable. But other than that, they're pretty lightweight and they're good. I have my 20/20 vision. So again, these is macaroon purple. Super cute for this cloud look that I did earlier today. They're super cute. I really like them. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this lens has a little bit of brown and then purple, and then it just kind of like fades away naturally, so it's really cute. So I give this one about a 9 out of 10 because I really like it. It's super cute. Definitely a must-have this season. All right, so let's go with color contacts number 2. Okay, so we are back with a contact number 2. My brown eye. Ready? Drum roll, please. Wow. Can you guys tell the difference? This actually looks like a natural, one of those natural video lenses. My eyes are really, really dark, so it's kind of hard to tell. This one is, sorry. This was a Luna Pink. Okay, Luna Pink. Super cute. It gives me like a cotton candy vibe. Super, super cute. Now, actually from here you can tell a difference. Looks a little bit more like hazel, but if I go close up, it does look a little purple, right? It looks very cute. I might wear this one these tomorrow. I gotta go teach. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the second one, and I'll be right back. This is a really, really cute contact lens. It looks like cotton candy. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this. I like it because this is not making me cry. So there it is. I'll put it over here. It looks like blue, pink. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay. All right, there it is. Like I said, these contacts, they are a little big. They're very, very thin, but they are big. Just the circle is very big, more than usual. I've been wearing contact lenses for a long time, so I do feel the difference. You know, comparing to other brands, it's very, very big. So I just struggle a little bit when I put them on, but other than that, it feels really good. So again, this one is pink. Oh, Luna Pink. So it's touch of blue and more pink on the lens. Very, very cute. I think it looks very natural on my eyes. If I'd have colored eyes, for example, blue, green, right, then these obviously would look a lot better. I don't think these go with dark eyes that much for a fun, spontaneous look. This is more on the nude side. So, all right, so let's go over to contact number 3. Be right back. All right, and I am back with the third color contact lens from TTDEYE. Are you guys ready? This one is just gonna be like, whoa. So brace yourselves. Okay, drum roll, please. TTDEYE. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. It looks different on camera. This one's kind of scary. Okay, so it's weird. Okay, so for this one, I'm not going to put the second one on because I can't see a thing through this. I know my cup is here. I can see some things, but not enough to press the buttons or see. Yeah. This is a lens that you want to put after you've done all the magic, you've done all the makeup, because you can't see a thing. I can't see a thing. So all the lens is white, and then through that little black dot you're able to see, but it's super blurry. These are not even to wear out and walk or drive. Definitely drive, because you can't see a thing. So vision here would be like, you know, it's usually 20/20. This one would be like a 2 or 3/20, right? Very beautiful, very different. Yeah, it looks very different, something that I'm not used to. So I'm not gonna put on the other one, like I said, because I can't see a thing, but overall it looks fine. So this one I could definitely use it to do like a Katrina or just like a skull or something, but I don't think I could wear it on both eyes, at least not for long. All right, so these are something. These are something. All right, so this is the last pair number 4. And this one is I'll leave the title here, Gecko Eye. I love it. I already saw it. Brown eye, natural eye. And this is the Gecko Eye. 3, 2, 1, drum roll. This one looks fun, and I can see a little bit better than the previous ones. These are freaking cool. I look like a dinosaur. Look at that reptile eye. Get it, girl. I love it. I'm already thinking of a look that I'm gonna do with this. It looks a lot of fun. So again, these contacts, you would want to put them after you've done your makeup. I know that a lot of people have sensitive eyes or whatnot, but if you put them on before makeup, you won't be able to see, because I see blurry. So this one I would see about an 8 out of 20. So if we have 20/20 vision, mine would be about 8 out of 20 with this lens. It's very blurry, but it looks like a lot of fun, right? It's super cute. I'm gonna recreate something super friggin' amazing with this. I really, really like it. So all of these, what I really did like about all of them is that they're all very lightweight. That's the point, right? Because sometimes they're too thick and they bother you, and as you blink or your eye dries too much with the lens on, or you blink and it's spinning, all right? So we know those situations with contact lenses. So with this one, I really like that they're all very comfortable. So I think my favorite would be either 1, 2, or this one. Number 3, not so much, because it's very hard for me to see. And sometimes I do like to throw in my contacts before I do my makeup, because sometimes my eyes will water or, you know, act up. It's a random day, right? So I love them all. Super cute, super detailed, perfect for fun, creative looks. So I don't know if I could put on the second one. It's gonna look a little funny, but I am leaving here the bigger caption so you guys can see it. And you guys, I'm gonna drop my my link so you can shop around, my discount code so you could take advantage of the lenses. And I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it's a little different just because I didn't pop in both of the lenses, but I really can't see. So you decide down in the comment box and let me know which look was your favorite. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, turn on the bell icon, follow me on TikTok, and follow me. All right, you guys, I will see you guys on the next video. Toodles. Thank you, TTDEYE.